How do you check if the button is pressed in Unity if your project uses new input system? That's very simple. First of all, the new input system doesn't have the same if statement like if input get button or get key to detect if a button is pressed, as it was the case with the old input system. Instead, you should add an input actions asset and make a set of actions that can be part of the input system. Inside, you need to add a layer and an action that will be performed when you press the button. I mean, key on the keyboard. I will choose spacebar, but you can choose any other key if you want. Now you need a script. Inside that script, you need to introduce the input system. You also need an input action. After defining the input system, you need the OnEnable and OnDisable voids that will define a new function. It will be called test. You should write it like this, test, without brackets. The test function will have a line of code that detects if you perform the action and also a line that will send a message. Save the script and test it. If you encounter the error null reference exception, this is because you haven't called the input system in void awake, which happens immediately when the game is launched. Change void start to void awake, save the script and test it. Amazing! The input system is working. This is just a test project that tells how the key is pressed on the keyboard and releases a message. You can try to add a player with the rigid body. Now it is detecting when you are pressing the space bar. This void can be used in making games and doing things like jumping, attacking, simply pausing the game, etc. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing. If you have an indie game project that I need to help you with, feel free to share it by sending me a DM on Instagram. I will respond in a short amount of time. I will post the game development services on my website. Have a good day. Bye!